it is still January, almost February, and it has been warming up, which makes me worried that we're going to have a very hot summer. I've even switched off my central heating because it's not necessary anymore. And today is going to be pruning day. I've got so much work to do in the garden, and I'm also going to change the garden once again. But Patrick, my neighbor, is going to come and help me prune the trees, and I'll show you now where we have to make changes because I've got a few problems here in the garden. But let me show you. Here you can see the electricity wires is running right on the border of my plot, and all these trees down here, I've started here where the solar panels are so that they get more sun, but now the rest of them have to be pruned before those horrible people come in and mess up my whole garden again. So right down to there we have to prune all those trees, and this tree has died because when they pruned the trees last time they exposed this tree to the cold and it somehow died. So this has to come down, and then in the place of the tree I'm gonna build a little patio and maybe have a gazebo put there to accommodate my new garden furniture that I bought. 4 of these chairs and the table. So once that is done, I'm going to remove my very creative patchwork garden, and that will all be transferred to that side, which is still a mess. And here I will have a lawn, which is much easier. You just mow it with the weeds and all. So all of this will be lawn. But first the tree has to go. Yeah, you can see there's lots of work here. All these weeds must come out because they've died in the meantime. The pond has to be cleaned, and then lots of pruning to follow after that. So let's get to work. Well, great disappointment. The tool that I bought, I think the engine blew. We just saw sparks flying, and it is kind of impossible to prune on the other side of the trees because the open lot next to my house is overgrown with brambles, so you can't get through. So I think I'll have to wait for the electricity company to send somebody and come and do it. Let me show you. There you can see at least we pruned this one, which was right to the top, and it's been cut down now. So that's ready, and we also pruned the peach tree over there. And there's very little left of the peach tree. Yeah, so that's going to be it. But let me show you here. We've cut some of the branches here on this side, on my side, but on the other side we just could not get through all the brambles. So you can see it is impossible to get in there. It's really overgrown. And huge brambles with lots of thorns.